In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Shopify ownership. Transferring ownership of a Shopify store is a critical process whether you're selling your business, passing it to a partner, or simply changing administrative roles. This tutorial is designed to guide you smoothly through each step, providing clarity and insight to help you confidently shift ownership without any hiccups. First, let's navigate to the Shopify homepage. You would typically start by logging out of your current session to ensure a fresh start. Then it's time to log in again. Click on the Login button on the Shopify homepage. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your store's details. Once you're directed to the login page, you'll need to type in your store's unique identifier, often referred to as your My Shopify URL. This step is vital as it ensures you're accessing the correct store, especially if you manage or are associated with multiple Shopify sites. After entering your store's identifier, click on Continue with Email. This option is crucial for maintaining a secure login process, especially if you're in a shared or public environment. Security should never be overlooked, particularly in processes that involve significant changes like transferring ownership. Next, choose the account associated with your Shopify store. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one linked to your Shopify store. This step streamlines the login process by linking your Shopify account directly with your Google account for ease of access. Upon successfully logging in, go to the Shopify admin panel. This dashboard is where the magic happens, from managing orders to customizing your store layout. However, to transfer ownership, you'll need to navigate to a different area. Look for the Settings option typically found at the bottom left of your dashboard. In Settings, select Users and Permissions. This section is designed for managing who has access to your Shopify store and what level of access they're granted. It ensures that sensitive areas are only accessible to those who genuinely need it, a crucial aspect of online store management. Within Users and Permissions, there's an option titled Transfer Ownership. This is the gateway to changing the hands of your store's control. Click on this to initiate the process. Here you'll be prompted to enter the new owner's email address. This step is quite significant as it officially invites the new owner to take over the store. Ensure you double check the email address for accuracy to avoid any complications. Next, enter the first name of the new owner. This adds a personal touch to the process, making the transition smoother and more personalized. Subsequently, fill in the last name of the new owner. Similar to the first name, this ensures that all formalities and legal requirements are correctly met. Following these personal details, you'll be required to enter your password. This serves as a confirmation that you, the current owner, authorized the transfer. It's a safety measure to prevent unauthorized changes to the store's ownership. Finally, to conclude the process, click on Transfer Store Ownership. This is the last step and effectively hands over the reins of your Shopify store to the new owner. It's a moment of transition, so ensure you're ready to make this shift. A few additional tips to consider during this process. 1. Communicate with the new owner throughout the entire process to ensure they're ready and willing to take over. 2. Back up any important information related to your store. It's always good practice to have a record of your store's data before making significant changes. 3. Review Shopify's guidelines on store ownership transfer to ensure you understand the implications and responsibilities that come with this change. Transferring ownership of a Shopify store might seem daunting, but by following these steps, you can ensure a smooth transition. Whether you're moving on to new ventures or simply handing off the reins, it's essential to approach this process with care and precision. And that brings us to the end of our guide on how to transfer Shopify ownership. Remember, each step is crucial in ensuring a secure and successful transfer. If you have any questions or require further assistance, Shopify's support team is always there to help. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your Shopify journey, whether you're starting anew or passing your legacy on to another.